So I've done some videos now on the hardware or the technical equipment I use to make my videos possible. And I thought I'd like to talk about the software side of things next. The first app that I want to mention is the app that I use to plan the whole project, from the inception of the idea until finally publishing the video to YouTube. So it encompasses the entire project, and therefore this app is vital for my video production workflow. So stay tuned if you would like to get some insight into how all of this happens. Hi there, I'm Francois. I like exploring ways that I can make my technology work for me. If you would like to get the best out of your technology, why not subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to do this. Okay, so the app that I use is called Trello. I want to show you how I use it to plan and organize my video production workflow. I found out how useful Trello could be when I watched Justin Brown of Primal Video explain how he uses it in his workflow. Primal Video has been very influential in the way that I create my videos for YouTube. I will leave a link in the description below as usual, so be sure to check that out, and you can find links for other things there too. Trello is a web-based Kanban-style list-making application, which is a subsidiary of Atlassian. It consists of boards which you can use for different projects. I have a board called YouTube Videos. Within a board, you have lists, which are basically the columns. And inside the list, you have cards, which are tasks that you can move around. I want to show you how I use Trello to plan my videos and organize my video production workflow. My first list is a topic pool list, and this is for video ideas which I may or may not use in the future. I just like jotting ideas down which I think I would like to work on. So that's where I keep all my ideas that I have. The second list is the short list. These are for videos I definitely mean to work on. And then we have the keyword research list. This I use to find keywords and tags that users search for on YouTube. My title and description usually will consist of keywords found here. Next I have the script list. This is where I write down what I want to talk about in the video. As you can see, the script usually has a few versions before I come to the final version. Ideas for B-roll also stem from the script. As you can see, there's a script template as well there. So I use templates, and the templates basically just help me keep my focus on what I need to do. So like with the script template, you will see as you go in over there, it's usually got a basic layout, which I also learned on that same channel that I spoke about earlier, Primal Video, and it's just a basic layout for how my script should be. So this keeps everything kind of like organized, and it gives me a kind of a blueprint to work on. Obviously later on, if I get more comfortable in my own style, I'll probably change this a little bit. The B-roll list, as you can see there, and I have another template for filming amazing videos with Android. That stems from the time when I was using an Android phone to record my videos, but it can also apply for iPhone usage. In the B-roll, I usually have B-roll ideas template about what I want to use, the kind of equipment that I want to use, and how I want to shoot my B-roll. Once I have a draft of the script, I can think about what I want to show in a video. This usually goes over the main footage of me talking. Main footage list. By the time I record this, I usually have a condensed, summarized version of the script, which I can look to occasionally while talking to the camera. There's also this 10 things to buy to make better videos, and I've bought 9 out of 10 things. You can see over there with a little checklist over there, 9 out of 10. Editing list. It helps to have a card detailing my editing workflow because I sometimes forget things that could make the process much easier. So yeah, I have this editing workflow, and inside it I have problems that I've encountered and how I solve these problems. So the next time when I actually do editing, and I can just look at this workflow and it makes the process much easier. I have another document from Primal Video, which is a total beginner's guide to video editing, where they lay out some basic steps to take for video editing, and that can help the process as well. Preparing for release. So in here I like to add the links that I may mention in the video. I have mentioned that I'm going to put a link of Primal Video, so if I go to my Trello video links, which is this current video, now I've just copied it from the template, then I can just add the links over there while I'm thinking about it, or while I'm editing, or even before that, so that I have all the links that I want to put in the video list. The ready for release list. This is when I'm ready to publish to YouTube via YouTube Studio, and I can add a title and description using
using the keywords and tags that I got in my keyword research. I also create a thumbnail. Sometimes I do that on Canva while the video is processing, or if I have more time, then I will do it beforehand on Affinity Photo, which I'm still learning to use. And then I'll add this and the links and the cards and end screens. Those are just things that YouTube uses for your users to engage with. Lastly, I'll do some digital marketing with Canva, and I usually use my thumbnail that I made for the social media marketing that I will post to Instagram and Facebook and sometimes WhatsApp. Lastly is the release list. I like to keep all these cards here once they have been released so that I can always reference them while I'm working on a new video. I like to see what I've done well, and perhaps what mistakes I've made in previous videos, and so that usually helps. And these labels are as I go through the different lists and I'm moving the card for the particular video through these lists. I like to make these labels and just stick them off, like the keywords has been researched, I've started the script, main footage shot I've edited, and in YouTube Studio I've done all of that. And so it's kind of a good thing just to keep tabs of what I do with these little labels over there.
Please look out for more videos of the other apps I use to make my videos on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Subscribe so you get notified when the next helpful video comes out, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.